Most people online keep saying, move to Malta, get sponsored, move to Europe, but almost nobody explains how Malta's immigration system actually works legally. And that's why so many people get scammed, get rejected, overstay illegally, or believe fake immigration agents. So in this video, I'm breaking down every major legal pathway to Malta for non-European Union citizens using only official Maltese government sources. And I'm not just listing them. I'll explain who qualifies, how each pathway works, step-by-step process, documents needed, approval reality, and mistakes to avoid. My name is Ademola Mark Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Let's start with the pathway most people use. Pathway 1. Single permit. The single permit is Malta's main immigration pathway for non-European Union workers. This is the standard work and residence permit, and here's what many people misunderstand. This permit is not just a visa. Right, gives you legal residence in Malta and legal authorization to work. Now let's explain how the process actually works, step by step. Step 1. You first need a real job offer from a Maltese employer, meaning a company in Malta wants to hire you. Step 2. The employer prepares your employment documents, usually including work contract, salary information, job position, company details. Step 3. The application is submitted to Identita Malta, and this is important. In most cases, the employer is heavily involved in the process. Step 4. Malta reviews whether the company is legitimate, whether your qualifications match the job, whether the salary is genuine, whether the employer actually needs a non-European Union worker. This is why fake sponsorships often fail. Step 5. If approved, you receive authorization, allowing legal residence and work. Now, let's talk about requirements. Normally you need valid passport, signed job contract, accommodation details, health insurance, qualifications or experience, passport photos, clean immigration history. Now, very important, a tourist visa does not automatically allow you to work, and many people make the mistake of entering Malta first and working illegally. That can destroy future immigration opportunities. Another important thing, single permits are usually issued for 1 year and renewed yearly if employment continues. Pathway 2, Key Employee Initiative. Now let's talk about Malta's fast-track pathway. This is called the Key Employee Initiative. And honestly, this is one of the best legal pathways for highly skilled professionals. Why? Because Malta created this system specifically to attract international talent quickly. Now, WHO exactly qualifies for the Key Employee Initiative fast-track system. Usually people in information technology, cybersecurity, finance, engineering, digital industries, management, gaming companies, technical sectors. Now, here's how this pathway works. Step 1. You receive a qualified high-skilled job offer from a Maltese employer. Step 2. The salary must meet Malta's official threshold requirements. This pathway is for higher skill positions, not low-wage jobs. Step 3. You must prove professional experience or university qualifications or specialized expertise. Step 4. The employer submits the Key Employee Initiative application, and because this is a fast-track system, processing can be significantly quicker than normal permits. But Malta still checks legitimacy of employer, salary level, qualifications, professional background. Now important, this route is not for fake sponsorships or low-skill casual jobs. This is designed for serious skilled migration. Watch out for the rest of the legal pathway to Malta in my next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.